Hey guys, what's up? So today I've got another bus review for you. Now this one is kind of always been one that's kind of interested me. If you look at it, I don't know about you, but the first thing I think of is the Herpa Concord Bluebird school bus. Now this one doesn't actually have any manufacturing logos or anything on the bottom of it. So it's kind of hard to tell, who or what or where it came from. I'm guessing it was made in China, though. Anyways, so as you can tell, it's got a S-Series front end and a poorly represented Bluebird body. So this one actually doesn't have fender-mounted signals. The fenders on this model are very unproportionate. Anyways, we've got the front of the Bluebird body. You still got the little rectangle that's simulating the emblem. It says school bus on the side. Now, the interesting thing about this is it has the place for like a mechanical motor, but when you do this, it doesn't wind up, Now, you do have this odd spot where a window should be, but it's just plastic, Kind of looks like a RE. But anyways, here's the back end. You've got silver light accents. You've got that distinct Bluebird body look. And then here's the driver's side again. So no stop sign. So it's all plastic, and again, doesn't wind up. The roof doesn't have the lines like the Herpa does, but it does have this odd little dot like the Herpas do. You've got an orange interior. And my guess is the interior is a single piece that's probably attached to this. So anyways, we're going to go ahead and compare it with an actual Herpa Bluebird. So there's the actual Herpa Bluebird. Now size-wise, they're not too different. The wheels on this one are kind of bulky. Now the backs... Now the orange one sits up a little bit higher. As you can see, because it's got bulky wheels. There's the driver, there's the passenger side. Now the front ends, the Herpa has body-mounted signals, whereas the Copycat does not. There are no school bus signs on the Copycat, and the warning lights are also silver, along with the visors. The hoods themselves are about the same size. There's no scoop on the hood. On the orange one. But other than that, there's also no windshield wipers on the Copycat. But other than that, let's see, the Copycat is also shorter. As you can see, if we take it like this, you can see that there's a little bit of space there that the Herpa still has that the Copycat doesn't. You can see if we move the camera up. But anyways, just thought I'd compare those two. Now, if we bring in HO scale CE, yes, I'm sure you all expected that. It's about the same thing as the Herpa. Size-wise, they're similar, but the Copycat sits up higher, as you can see. So yeah, thanks for watching, guys. I hope you enjoyed this video. Let me know what you think. Do you have this model yourself? Is it something you would buy? I got it so I could do a video on it. It's just one of those odd things that, I don't know who the heck made it. And it's obviously a knockoff. I know for a fact that there is a cheap knockoff of the 2nd Gen CE that looks almost identical to this, to where they've cut off the rear end at the back. But it's not the same size. It's the same size as the CE, but what they've done is they cut off the back just like they did here. But it's something like you would get in one of those cheap chintzy shops, probably wherever. Obviously, it's a Chinese knockoff, even though the real one itself was made in China. Anyways, I'm going off on a tangent. Thank you for watching, guys. Let me know what you think. Like, comment, subscribe. So yeah, thanks for watching. Bye.